ASDOs की जो हमने पार्ट 1 किया, पार्ट 2 इस लेक्चर में है। क्वेश्चन नंबर 21, कोऑपरेटिव लर्निंग इज़ अ फॉर्म ऑफ, तो इसमें ऑप्शन सी आता है कंस्ट्रक्टिविज्म। क्वेश्चन नंबर 22, इन लेसन प्लानिंग the covering sheet provides information about introduction. Option A. Question number 23. IQ level of the slow learner falls in range of 80 to 90. Option B is the correct one. Question number 24. Concepts are the ideas. Option C is the correct one. Question number 25. Social sciences are also called as, तो इसमें सोशल साइंसेज में जो आते हैं उसको सॉफ्ट साइंसेज आते हैं, सॉफ्ट साइंसेज। ठीक है, ऑप्शन ए इज़ द करेक्ट वन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 26, फर्स्ट एजुकेशनल कॉन्फ्रेंस was chaired by Fazlur Rahman. Option A is the correct one. Question number 27, public-private partnership in education was promoted in option D 1998 to 2010. This one is the correct option, option D. Question number 28, the research concerned with development of authorities is called, तो इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है बेसिक रिसर्च। क्वेश्चन नंबर 29, control group is the characteristics of experimental research. Option C is the correct one. Question number 30, the research concerned with classroom is with classroom problem is option B, action research. Question number 31, the purpose of evaluation is to make judgment. Option B is the correct one. Question number 32, the highest level of revised cognitive domain is option C, creating. Question number 33, the famous book The Republic was written by, ये प्लाटो ने लिखा था। क्वेश्चन नंबर 33, ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट वन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 34, information that you have to consciously work to remember is known as explicit memory. Option A is the correct one. Question number 35, the term heuristic mean mental shortcuts. ठीक है, ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट वन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 36, which of the following is not a type of reliability content? Option C is the correct one. Question number 37, which of the following is the correct order अच्छा फॉर लेवल ऑफ मेजरमेंट, तो इसमें ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन, nominal ordinal interval ratio. Question number 38, which type of reliability refers to the consistency of a group of individual scores on two equivalent forms of a test designed to measure the same characteristics? इसमें ऑप्शन ए इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, split hop. Question number 39, what are the core elements of a dissertation? तो इसमें ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट वन। क्वेश्चन नंबर 40, SOLO stands for, ये ऑप्शन सी इज द करेक्ट वन। इसमें स्ट्रक्चर ऑफ ऑब्जर्विंग लर्निंग आउटकम्स। क्वेश्चन नंबर 41, सिम्पोस्लम इज अ टाइप ऑफ, इसमें डिस्कशन आता है, ऑप्शन बी इज द करेक्ट वन, डिस्कशन मेथड। क्वेश्चन नंबर 42, डैश इज द रिजेक्शन ऑफ अ ट्रू नल हाइपोथेसिस, तो इसमें ऑप्शन ए आता है, टाइप एरर। क्वेश्चन नंबर 43, द प्रोसेस ऑफ incorporating new information into existing knowledge is assimilation. Option A is the correct one. Question number 44. The process of reasoning from one or more given statement to reach a logically certain conclusion is, इसमें ऑप्शन डी इज द करेक्ट ऑप्शन, डिडक्टिव रीजनिंग. क्वेश्चन नंबर 45. An outline of the topic of a subject to be covered in specific time is syllabus. Option B is the correct one. Thank you guys, hope you learn here. Subscribe my channel and press the bell icon so you may be notified from the next lectures. Thank you. Allah Hafiz.